Oh, if you see me in the street like this, you can tell me that this is a wig. This is my hair. This is my hair, okay? Okay?
Now who born this fine girl? Yeah, yeah. Now who born this fine girl? Yeah, yeah. Hoko Yoko. Woo.
Come make I rock your body. I know say you like the money.
Aye.
Come make I rock your body.
Aye.
Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to CHOCHET. Okay, the only one with glowy Fenty Beauty body lava. If you want to see the review, down below. I will leave the video down below. Okay, you see that glow? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I bring you this wig. Yes, it's a wig. Okay, it's a crochet wig from SILIKE here in Amazon and AliExpress. Okay, I use one pack and a half, and let me tell you that only you need one pack because you can see it's too much, but I love big hair. If you love big hair, use one pack and a half, but if you love normal Afro, let me cut this, use only one pack. Okay, only one pack. It comes like this. This is for mine or all the hair I use. Okay, it's very bouncy. I love this. Look at this, look at this. And I separate it. I don't know when I do the crochet, I don't know if I want to separate the hair, but when I separate it, I say, bitch, you better do that. Okay, you see that glow? Ooh. So yeah, that is all. I will show you how I do the video. I will leave some picture here so you can see how the wig is in before I separate it. I lost the video how I separated and show you how the wig end, but yeah, this is the final result and I love it. You know, girls, if you follow me for a long time, you know that you girl Vandyke love big hair. You can tell me that this is a wig. Oh, if you see me in the street like this, you can tell me that this is a wig. This is my hair. This is my hair, okay? Okay? Yes. From SILIKE here in Amazon and AliExpress. I will leave all the links down below. And yes, I know you will ask me about my hair. It's contact lenses from colorcl.com. I will leave the link down below, all the description, everything down below. This is the Herrys Blossom collection and my discount code JK10. Okay, so bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like my big hair, comment and share, and don't forget to click the bell because always I forget. Don't forget to click the bell so you will notify when I upload a video. Bye. Bye bye bye.
I'm